Agoy di ay.
We got lucky.
So, finally, they fixed it. I mean, napasulod nila, temporary. We have to go back to Springfield. RV, ay para need ako noog new motor again. Oh my goodness. Ikapila na siya gi-change. Ay, nako. But anyway, we're finally going out. All of us. Pero ako sa nipang, ay, good job. Who did it? Thank you, Auntie. Thank you very much, oh. Nag-ani ko dire kay ako tay pang butang akong mga kawakwakan for my faces. Manghilamos ako orang hilamos. Oh my God. Napakong balingon. Pero kay mga 3 weeks na mi dire naka-part. So finally, we are going to the 66. And then, yeah, running errands. Hala, Taso!
What is it?
I'm going to drive the car. We have to because we need it, diba? Oh no. First time na ako mag-drive for such a long time. Yaya ka lang. But I have no choice. Because pag naadiri sa gawas gani, ikaw ragyud. Huwag kay masaligan but yourself. Charis! Okay. Off we go. Another day, another blessing.